Hey my dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to jump right into the project. Now I'm going to make a little library. This was supposed to be the shelf, and I was supposed to take off the door of this, or the lid, but I'm not. I'm going to keep it on. So I'm just going to go now and paint all of this brown to look like a dark stained wood. This is the brown I'm going to be using. It is burnt umber. So I did take that hardware off. I'm just on the porch of my little craft table so I don't mess up my desk. So yeah, I just took this part off because this is the part that has to like stand. And I'm going to try to adhere these on the corners and then these on the bottom. On with some Gorilla. I prefer E6000, but they had Gorilla Glue at the store. Okay, so that's not going to fit on the corner because of the hinge, and I can't put it on the bottom either because, well, I'm trying to put the foot on the bottom. Wonder if I could do it like this, if that will make a difference. I think perhaps put one on this side, on the glass part, but it's gonna have some overlap, which again, it's not that big of a deal, but yeah, it would tie it in together. I won't be able to use the feet because there's not enough room for the other foot to go on there if I put this foot on there. This is an idea, since the shelving on this part is so tall, like you'll have books and then like nothing up there, to insert like little corner shelves with the brackets to set something on, like a little jar or something. So that's an idea. I don't think I'm going to use that idea, but it is an idea. So I have the corners drying. It's going to take a few hours at least. Should probably tape this down or secure them with something, but I don't know what. So I'm just going to trust that it's going to hold. So I'm back from my errands and the bookshelf looks so good, and I'm just going to open this up so you can see. Okay, let me try to get that in scale. Excuse me. Have a doll. Wow. That is actually really, really tall. Hi. That's really tall. So yeah. I'm just curious about how this would look. Like that. That looks equally as good. Ooh. Because this can be like a door. So if I leave it on the side like this, then I definitely probably could have left the hardware on. That way it can lock and it'll just like look cooler. But now I'm like in indecision, because if I keep it like this, then I will have to go and get more of the brackets, so that way I could put another bracket here and another bracket there. But yeah, I like it this way as well, and then I won't have any trouble fitting it, the whole thing, into a scene. And then I could put like a table out there, like they're on the patio, for the name on the door, to get stickers, like letter stickers, to do the name on the door. And or I could do this pen and just write in cursive or calligraphy. You can get more of these and have different sets. Like if you didn't have these things right here, this could be like dresses in there, and like you could put shoes and bags over there to look like a little shop, and it could be like a different colors and everything like that. So yeah, so I do have to make some more books. I did print this out so I can have some dark academia books on there, just to go with the vibe. And I got this from the bookstore, which are little mini plant statues to go on plants, but we shall be using these for the dollhouse. I think they look great. I'm gonna just take this one out and just see. You can put it there, see how it fits. It has a little poker on it so it can go into a plant, but of course we're not gonna do that. Okay, my dolls, I'm here running out of daylight to film this. So yeah, I finished the Apothecary, Bookstore, whatever, And well, I finished it for now. There's a few more things I have to do, but I'm coming to a stopping point. Little outfit that's kind of whimsy goth. It's giving antique bride, and she has on a little corduroy vest, and there's a little moon charm that I put on this dress, and I made this suede bag. Suede is not a material. Oh, and her shoes are from, what's that movie called? Girl Crystal Vase Mold. And I did get some name suggestions for her, but I'm still undecided. Okay, so she has on this bohemian dress. It's a maxi dress. I made it from a shirt. She has the Mini Fashion Brands purse, and she has the Mini Fashion Brands boots, which I'm treating like Doc Martens. Her red hair is just the vibe for this. So here is the Apothecary. Oh, you see me? Hopefully you don't see any junk. Yay! This is how it turned out. Now remember I said since I'm doing it vertical, I could actually put these pieces back on, and I will just as soon as I find them. That's right, I lost them within the last 24 hours. So yeah. So I made a sign for the door as well. This is just some kind of sewing doohickey I glued on, and took a marker in gold and painted it. And then I didn't want to write on the door, like I was so indecisive about what to write on the door, so I cut some packaging and poked a hole punch in there and a chain. And no, that's not the sign I wanted, but like I said, coming to a stopping point. So before we go inside, I'm going to show you the outside of it, because that's going to be doing double duty. So I have, can you even see that? I have Apothecary Tea and Books, which is the name of the thing. And I have a fake phone number. And I didn't write about the bottom because this is where the dolls are going to sit and enjoy a cup of tea or something. So I need like a little bistro set. I also used these things that I got from Temu. Now I'm aware that they might bump against something and come off, so I only like use a dollop of hot glue just in case I need to store this flat for some reason. I can pop them off and put those inside to store it. But I really do like how it looks. It's giving all the vibes. So here it is, going to open. And once it opens, that is the diorama. Oh, that looks so cute outside there. So here we go. So the Apothecary is right here. Now I have a few other things to add to it. I have the mannequin that I've dressed, and it's like an older bust model, so the clothing doesn't like really fit. So I'm gonna put that off to the side, and we're just making up our diorama. This is a wax seal. It's like this, but it can make like a nice little statue or something. Most everything is glued down in there, so no worries. Mouse pad from Amazon. Just put that like that. You can put the little chair right there, and even the table. I'm gonna put the coffee grinder somewhere, but I don't have a table for that, as you can see, but it can just go on the floor. This was the register, but I don't have anything for that either, so I guess it can go right here for now. Here's some cards I got from Hobby Lobby, and they fit the vibe, so we're gonna open those. They're not paper, they're like, I mean they are paper, but they almost feel like plastic, so they're like that thick. That's pretty cool. I don't know what to do with them. I guess just put them somewhere there. Oh gosh, it looks so messy. Then I also have these cups that I got from Temu. They're really nice. They fit the vibe, I think. But also like random teacups would fit the vibe as well. I got these from Dollar Tree, not for this project, just to have. I found them today, but I ended up not using them because I didn't really know how. And then this is kind of a little bit too red for this face, but on camera it's kind of working, so whatever. I think it's okay for an apothecary shop to seem a little eclectic. Had my hands as well. The hands were looking a little bit too cartoony, like a little obviously fake for the space. I would prefer like real hands. However, whatever. This was actually too big for the space, but it would have matched, but it's too big. This is how the little tea set looks. It does come with a spoon. It's a little gold spoon. So yeah, I staged the apothecary, but I am going to come to a stopping point on the video. I'm losing light, even though it's still the vibe. I wish I had something like this in my younger years, because I would definitely go there. Sorry, the sign is askew. Yeah, I would definitely go there. I would go someplace like this right now, actually. It just looks so cute and so like charming, and I would love to go and just like have tea with a friend, you know, get kind of dressed up, get dolled up. And just go enjoy some tea and good books with a friend. So yeah, I really enjoy how it came out, and I can't wait to film the next book review in the Apothecary Tea and Bookshop. So yay. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.